Guys, what kind of event is this? Like, do you have like celebration at BU today? On graduation day?
Yeah, well, no, we're just taking photos today.
Oh.
But I think they have an Easter event in there, so.
Oh, I see. I got you.
Beautiful.
Thank you. I will look. Give it a look. Thank you. Yes, guys, this is Magnolia tree. They started blooming. I hope there will be many of them in the back bay. I'll take you to back bay later today, but now we have to go across the bridge, the footbridge, and then it's a beautiful day. Unfortunately, the wind is so strong you cannot hear me probably. Slept in this hotel, Hyatt Regency, once for my job interview, and then we had a company party, Christmas party on the top floor of the hotel a couple of times. Hey boss, how are you doing? Morning. Oh, sorry. Yeah, it's a beautiful day. Easter Sunday. You can see the clear sky. It's gonna get more windy later today. Yeah, I can see the spring is coming very quickly. Those flowers won't last more than a week. So now is the time to capture them. Yeah, part of the reason why then one lost is the strong wind by the river. So they just pop up, few days and they're gone. You can already see some of them are falling to the ground. Wow, it looks like a carpet. Yeah, that's my favorite gym. But I have like several gyms by the in this kind of area by the river. You can work out outdoors. That is like concrete structure. It's a floating concrete. Might be full of bubbles inside. Somebody sleeping in a tent? Yeah. No, it's not a tent. Must have an engine in her ass. Jet engine. Yeah, that's the bridge that I kind of biked once, and there was a guy, black dude. He was already on the other side waiting to jump. I kind of stopped my bike and started engaging conversation with him. And just waited to get closer, and until the fire department came, and then I was able to jump and catch him, and then the fire department guys joined and we pulled him back to safety. He was probably mentally sick. Yeah, the Boston Marathon is tomorrow, so you can see many people practicing already. manage of other people, as you can see. My collision course. Yeah, this is the most fancy street in Boston, Newbury, to the left. Hey boss, how are you doing?
Can you please help me get some clothes at the TJ Maxx, please?
Know what? I'm not the Salvation Army, sorry. Yeah, the runners started descending yesterday. Yeah, last night this place was full. People going for dinner. Relaxing. Okay. Still open to the traffic. The street is like open to traffic, but there are less cars in the morning. Yeah, this place is common among runners for some reason. Hey boss, how are you? This is the convention center in front of us. Yeah, Boston Marathon. Well, probably the finish line is to the left. You can already see the railings in place. Practicing. Yeah, the weather is really amazing for the marathon. It's not too cold, not too hot. That's the Apple store. This is the Gordon Ramsay's restaurant to the right. Ramsay's kitchen. He's like a famous celebrity and a chef from UK. Yeah, this is the finish line. In front of us. Wow, so many people. I'm not sure if I can get through.
For us,
People going around here.
멕시코 이렇게 찍어.
Japanese. Nihonjin. Nihonjin? Nihonjin, let's go. Of course, Hare Krishna. We have to do the bullshit on an Easter Sunday. That's a very nice Venetian style church. Fucking psychopaths are everywhere. They should be deported.
I know it's. Mom says it's supposed to be finished.
Okay, we got freed. Okay, this is another old church, Trinity Church, but for some reason I think it's under renovation. You can't go there even. Oh. Sounds like a Russian tank, but this is just tribute. Guys, I thought it was a Russian tank behind me. Where are you from? Brazil?
Mexico.
Oh, Mexico. Mucho gusto. Mucho gusto.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you, thank you. Oh, sorry. Okay, I'm not sure if I can. Oh yeah. You see, not everybody is skinny who runs the marathon. Even regular people try to do that. Yeah, I saw that for the first time when I came to this country, Alabama. There were many of those things growing. Okay, let's go to a different area. many people it's something new, so they like to photograph themselves. They even have some smell, not particularly beautiful, but it's not too bad. It smells basically like a pollen, just like a carnation flowers, very similar. It's not a some kind of, it's not a substance, nice smelling substance, it's just the pollen. Yeah, let's go to the garden. So it's big of the lake here, but now it's fine. We'll make it fine. Okay, let's see the ducks. Usually the ducks have a dress, depending on the season. Yeah. Oh. So this is the finish line.
Right, can't take sugar, can't. We have no. Thank you so much. Thank you. You don't have to live with it. Have a good run. Please take some candy. Oh, we didn't get the finish line.
Yeah. Congratulations.
Okay.
I didn't know you guys. I didn't know people were here earlier.
I need one more. After you did. Okay. Thank you. All right, take some candy.
What's the fun? We get the flower and afterwards.
Oh, so these are different towns that the marathon goes through. Starts in Hopkinton, Ashland, Framingham, Natick. I used to work in Hopkinton.